So, today is Saturday. Hooray! Saturday. For some of you, this might have meant sleeping in. For others, it means the weekend job. Today's action is simply sitting still. Well, unless you're out walking and listening to me, then you might get to pick what you do. I found this semi-cheesy quote to share with you today. It is, because remember that is our theme for the week, sexy isn't always boobs or butts. It's the way you walk, the way you talk, and the way you think. To go along with that, I found alpha female. It's not an insult, it's a compliment. I think it's a bizarre way to label somebody. Okay, here is the alpha female. You ready? She is pro-woman. I think we should all be pro-people. She cultivates a life she enjoys. Fuck yeah, everybody should be doing that. She makes her move. I think that goes along with the life you enjoy. She doesn't put herself down. That one's interesting. She desires a partner, not a boyfriend. I sometimes desire the French maid who's going to do all of the chores for me. She calls people out. She knows when to walk away. That's every time you're on Facebook and you're about to type something, do that, walk away. She doesn't compete for attention. Oh, I love that. Because why would you? She creates her reality. She invests in herself. She dares to go for it. And it's in quotes. Maybe it's Stephen King novel. She knows the life she lives may be intimidating, but she lives anyway. And then it goes with that. Here we go. It's not really a cheesy quote. It's actually a damn good one. Well-behaved women seldom make history, but that is true for all people. The status quo and those who insist that you must keep that status quo and you can only make these itsy bitsy little dinky changes. Well, you have to ask, what do they benefit from by keeping the status quo? And what would they lose if it was thrown completely on its head? There's your thought for today.